wanted to make sure to share the meet and greet for this Friday with y'all. Hopefully I will see you guys there. Here is the address on your screen. Go ahead and take a screenshot. Now let's get into the video. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're emptying the fridge. And I have my work hair put back on again today because after we're done doing this, we're going to work on the bathroom. And I've been avoiding this and I just need to get it done. So, I'm going to start with the freezer first. I'm so dreading this. It's just, listen, I feel like when I throw food away that I'm going to be punished. That's how I feel. I don't know why I feel that way. I don't know if it was something that was told to me when I was little. But anytime I throw food away, I just get this overwhelming, guilty sensation that just takes over my body. And I literally have been depressed since yesterday because of it. It's so ridiculous. I don't know why, but I guess we all have our weird things, and this is one of my weird things. It doesn't feel right to throw food away when there's people suffering. It just doesn't. And I don't know, I'm just silly. But anyways, I can't just be nonchalant about it and say, oh well, food's gone, gotta throw it away. It just doesn't feel right. So anyways, let's take care. I don't know why I'm like that. I guess it was maybe because food was scarce sometimes growing up. I didn't grow up with a lot of money. It's not like that now, but it's just something that lives in me, I suppose. And there isn't anything that feels good about throwing food away. So, I mean, if it's bad, if it went bad, I still feel bad if something is moldy and gross and I have to throw it away. I don't know. I'm just weird like that, but I just had to do this really quick, and it was disgusting at the bottom because stuff had melted. There were still some things that were partially frozen, but I still tossed it anyways. My father-in-law owned restaurants. I worked there. I had to take food handling, classes, and so I know about the temperature changes. And anyways, as far as the fridge goes, I did not throw everything away because I don't think all the condiment, it was still cool. I don't know how to explain to you guys. Like, it's not like soup. It's not hot in there. There's still something happening, but it's not cold to the temperature. Like, I wouldn't keep mayonnaise or eggs or, butter or, well, maybe the butter. I don't know, because it's still cool. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw the butter away. I only have a couple sticks in there, so that won't be super hard. But the mustard, the soda pops, the teriyaki sauce, that kind of stuff, I'm going to go ahead and keep. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what I'm supposed to do. I've never done this before. Update. So, what I threw away were all of the meats in my freezer. I kept, so it's still cold in there. It's not like freezing anything. Everything that was frozen is defrosted, but it's still cold in the freezer. So I kept the popsicles, and I kept my smoothie mix thing, although it's defrosted. I think it'll be fine because it stayed cold. Everything else I'm not taking any chances with. And then in the fridge, I'm keeping soda pops, juices, my creamer, and I threw away the mayonnaise, but I'm keeping the mustard and the ketchup and my hot sauces because they're still cool. They're not warm, if that makes any sense. I just feel like that would be a waste. I think they're safe to eat. I don't know. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know. If I get an overwhelming response of throw it all away and start over, then I will. But I'm having a really hard time doing that. So I got rid of cheeses. Leftovers obviously are bad now, and all of that. But and I don't want to clean it. I'm not going to clean it. Why should I bother cleaning it? I'll just let them take it. So they're going to call me today and let me know what time they're going to be here tomorrow with my delivery. And right before they get here, I will empty everything out of the fridge, or maybe when they pull up, because they're going to have to pull up and unbox it and everything. I'll pull everything out, and that way it's, you know, I can get it back into a fridge right away. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. This is my first time in 40 years of marriage that I've ever had a broken fridge, so I don't know how to do this. So hopefully I'm doing it right. Anyways, let me get all of this taken out to the trash can, and then I need to make my bed. I didn't make my bed yesterday. I'm telling you, this is affecting me. This is affecting me. I don't know what it is about this one thing. It's gonna be fine. I ordered a new fridge, thank you Jesus, that I was in a position to be able to do that. I'm gonna be able to fill it back up with groceries again. Again, thank you Jesus for that. All because of him. But I'm having I'm struggling. I don't know, why am I struggling so hard with this? So yesterday I was so depressed, and I didn't make my bed, and well, I did everything else, but I didn't make my bed. So I'm gonna make my bed today because I think that's gonna make me feel better. Anyhow, cleaning your house, making your bed, doing the dishes, whatever it is, how that can instantly change your perspective on your day, because it totally changed mine. I had to hurry up and get this out of the house. I was not happy about this at all. Not happy about it at all. So, yeah, it was difficult. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get the dishes in the dishwasher and get the dishwasher started from all the leftovers, get those rinsed and taken out. You guys have to let me know if you are the type of person who can grab something out of your fridge and just throw it away. I mean, I don't have a good feeling about throwing away old leftovers. That doesn't bother me. We ate from it. You know, we ate as much as we could from it. You know, that kind of thing. We're not being wasteful there. You know, just we got whatever it is, you know. Ernie, if he was home, I would never have leftovers in my house. He eats leftovers until they're gone. I, on the other hand, am not that person, so I have to get really good. So that's why when I make big meals so that I can eat, I take them to my neighbor, because she has kids at home and she has her husband, and I know that they will enjoy it. So when you guys see me make big meals, I take what I want from it. So maybe I'll eat that day and then save some for the next day for myself. And then I take her and her family the rest of the meal. So she always gets free meals from me. She loves it. Anyways, let me know if you guys are identical to me or different. All right, I'm feeling better that I got that done. I don't feel good about it, but I'm feeling better. Dishwasher loaded. Now I'm gonna make my bed, and then we're gonna get to work on the bathroom. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna show you what I got for the bathroom too. That came last night. Let's get my bed made. Got that done. I feel much better. See, the more and more you do, the better and better you feel. I picked this up This totally reminds me of the 70s when I was growing up, and I will link it in the description. I saw one of those almost identical, maybe a little bit bigger, for $300 at a shop here, and I have not been able to stop thinking about it. It's been about a year, but I'm not spending $300 on something that's gonna get tucked away in my, I wouldn't spend $300 on that anyway. That one was $60. And it fits perfectly. I already looked, but it could maybe use a piece of art above. So we're gonna see if I have something. And if I do, we'll use, okay, I went upstairs. I have this little eucalyptus plant. And then totally forgot, I got these in California at an antique mall. Aren't they beautiful? They're little miniature prints. So I think those will look really pretty in there. I'm not sure, we'll see. Anyways, I gotta go find, the stuff to get this hung. About right here. Doesn't that look good? I love it. Maybe like right here actually. Oh, just so you guys know, I'm using these little anchors. So if you don't hit a stud, they open up and hold more weight, so it's safer. That was sitting on the little pony wall just because I took it off my counter one day and left it there. But I'm thinking it'd be really nice. Still in this space here, right? Doesn't that look good? Can you guys see? Yeah, that already looks amazing. Okay, now I have this little eucalyptus there like that. And then I have these, I was thinking, they go like this. I was thinking they'd look cute up here. Right? Because, well, I don't know. Let me look in my viewfinder. I can't see that far. Maybe if I just use one, yeah? That looks pretty. That looks really pretty. Actually, I don't think I want to put anything above that. Okay, let's put toilet paper in there. I just stole this little fox from my bookshelf walking into the bedroom. I mean, it's toilet paper. I don't know, might look better to have all the toilet paper on this shelf. I need one more thing right there. Let me go see what I can find. Okay, that's looking really good. I brought this little votive holder and this clock. I'm gonna see how those look. I thought I could put maybe a battery operated votive in here. Okay, that's too big, but maybe, I mean, it's kind of an unconventional spot for a clock. Do we need a clock in here? Oh, no. Okay. Maybe. I would really like for this clock to fit. Does this come on? It does. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? I took the little finial off. I feel like this is too much. If I just do the clock like that, right? And then maybe move this. Okay, now I'm committed to using the fox. And I can't, okay, wait, I got an idea. Put the fox in front a little bit. There we go. I like it, it's kind of a layered look. It adds warmth and dimension. I think that looks really good. It's interesting for sure. Yeah, cute. Okay, I have this beautiful little rug that I think would be very welcoming to put in here. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it. And I'm gonna let you guys vote and tell me, should I leave it or should I get rid of it? One of the things that we forget to do when we buy new homes is take off all the stickers. I'm gonna take those off. Okay, I want comments. Leave it or take it out. My feelings will not get hurt, but I love that. I love it. It looks so good. Just cozy. It looks like a room now, you know, that I care about. I can't wait to get to the rest of the bathroom now. That bamboo shelf is linked in my description. Let's get those shampoo containers filled up. cheap that I'm gonna add water to this, and we'll use all of this before we dip into that. Add my callus remover and my wet brush here, but that's so much nicer than having all the shampoos, and especially shampoos I put away because I only use those once a month. So I can pull them out and then put them away. The rest of the time I use regular shampoo and conditioner. That is a wrap, my friends. How nice is that? I love it. And it's just a cleaner look than having all those bottles and everything here. It's just cleaner, you know? And the reason why I put it down here, well, it's at belly level. Also, you can't see it from up here when you walk in. It's down beneath. So that is a much cleaner look. I love it. Okay. Okay, that was a productive day. Short video, but productive. We got the refrigerator cleaned out and the food thrown away. We didn't clean the fridge. I'm not gonna bother. I mean, it is what it is. And then we got the powder room decorated, and we got our new dispensers filled up. I love that little thing. Everything is linked in the description. If you guys want me to link anything else in my videos that you don't see in the description, let me know, because I just figured out how to create a description that's going to go in every single video, and I don't have to do it every single time. So that is a help. So I just put in there what I get asked most about, and if there's anything else, furniture, draperies, anything else that you guys can think of, leave me a comment and I'll make sure to add that if possible. But anyways, that was a short and productive video. I'm feeling good because Ernie's coming home. That makes me so happy. It puts me on cloud 9. I get him for, what is today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Well, it all depends. I might get him on Monday too. It all depends on the weather. I am praying for everybody in the path of the hurricane. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and we will see you in the next video. The new fridge. Bye.